Hello, my food enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the world of Caribbean cuisine and learn how to whip up a delightful, ageless, nutty Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Now, this dish is a treat for the senses, and it's not only healthy, but also packed with flavors. Let's dive into the ingredients we need. 1. White flour. This is our base, providing structure and texture. 2. Fine cornmeal. This adds a subtle crunch to the pudding and adds a touch of sweetness. 3. Brown sugar. This adds a rich depth of flavor that's unmatched. 4. Cinnamon, nutmeg. Mixed spices, vanilla, almond essence. Molasses for those sweet, spicy notes that make this dish stand out. 5. Baking powder and salt for leavening and balancing flavors. 6. Sweet potatoes and yams for their sweetness and nutritional benefits, as well as dry coconut flakes for an extra crunchy texture. 7. Melted butter for richness and butteriness. You might want to skip this if you're going for a healthier version of the recipe, though. 8. Coconut milk for its creaminess. You can substitute it with regular milk if you prefer. 9. Water to aid in mixing the batter. You can also use coconut water if you want to stay true to the authentic recipe. 10. Raisins, or any dried fruit of your choice. They add a chewy texture and extra sweetness to the pudding. 11. Grated nutmeg. This adds a fresh aromatic layer to the pudding that elevates it from good to great. 2. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video and